Hi friends, if you feel your BMW is lacking power and sluggish, you can try this throttle adaptation reset procedure. BMW computer adapts your driving style and accordingly provide output, but if you feel like your car was faster earlier, let's try this DIY. Ensure that car is switch off, even accessory mode is off. Let's begin reset procedure. First step is to press the gas pedal complete to the floor and keep pressing. Let's go to next step. Now press the start button once and do not start the engine. Ensure to continue pressing accelerator pedal. Now count till 30 to 60 seconds. After 30 or 60 seconds completed, it's time to press stop button. In this whole procedure we are not starting engine. Accelerator pedal is pressed off until this stage. Now release the accelerator pedal and wait till 2 minutes before you start the engine. Reset process is completed. Comment if this works for your BMW. Thanks for watching.